Click on the link below to get price. The Purple Leaf Outdoor Dining Chairs set of 4 aluminum luxury patio chairs presents itself as a versatile and stylish option for outdoor dining. Designed to seamlessly blend comfort and aesthetic appeal, this set aims to elevate your outdoor experience, whether for a casual family meal or a more formal gathering. Constructed from high-quality aluminum, these chairs offer a robust and durable option for outdoor use. Aluminum is known for its resistance to rust and corrosion, making these chairs suitable for various weather conditions. The finish on the chairs is sleek and polished, which not only enhances their modern design but also makes for easy cleaning. The lightweight nature of aluminum allows for easy maneuverability, allowing users to rearrange their dining setup with minimal effort. One of the key features of this chair set includes its ergonomic design, which prioritizes user comfort. Each chair is designed with a contoured seat and backrest that provides adequate support, helping to ensure that users can enjoy long meals without discomfort. The chairs also feature a well-thought-out design that accommodates a variety of body types, making them inclusive for all guests. The aesthetic quality of the Purple Leaf chairs is another aspect worth noting. Available in a neutral color palette, these chairs can complement a range of outdoor decors, from contemporary to traditional. Their refined look can enhance the overall ambience of your patio or garden space. In terms of usage, these chairs are versatile enough to be utilized in different settings. Whether placed around a dining table or used with a fire pit, they serve a functional purpose while maintaining an elegant appearance. Their weather-resistant qualities also mean they do not require extensive maintenance. A simple wipe-down after a rainy day can keep them looking fresh. In summary, the Purple Leaf Outdoor Dining Chairs set of 4 aluminum luxury patio chairs combines durability, comfort, and style, making it a noteworthy addition to any outdoor space. With features that emphasize ease of use and a design that caters to aesthetic sensibilities, this chair set aims to enhance the outdoor dining experience for a variety of occasions.